Hello students, Jai Swaminarayan. I hope you all are fine. Students, today we are going to start our English revision. Okay? Some of the part I am explaining you on the board and we are going to write on the board. As some of the part of your revision I will send you the images which you have to copy in your English classwork notebook. Okay? So read this all the revision properly and get thoroughly and get ready for your exam. Okay? This time for the first time you are going to give the exam in online way. Yes, no? So it may be difficulty for you also, and you are also new for this type of examination. So, and this time you are going to give the paper in MCQ type. Means for each question you will get 4 options for filling the blank, for answer the following, or it may be for true or false or filling the blanks. For each question you are going to get 4 options, and that you have to, from that 4 options you have to select the correct option. You have to click on that, and after that you have to press the save and next button. After pressing that button you will get the new question. So complete the whole paper in that way, and in the last you will press the submit button. So your paper will get submitted and you will get the result within 5 to 10 minutes only. That how was your paper. Okay. So, but for that you have to prepare yourself for the exam. Okay, and if you find any difficulty or if you have any queries, so you are not able to understand in English anything now, you can call me and ask me personally on my number. Okay, so we will start first from meanings. As we have written some of the meanings in our classwork book also, so we will start it again today as in the form of revision. Okay. So, now first one, see here, write the meaning of the following word. Saw it. The meaning of saw it is found it. In exam you may get 4 options of the one word. Like write the meaning of the following word dash and one word may be given as like we will guess saw it. So for saw it in 4 options you will get 4 words, different words. But the correct answer is found it. So you have to search the answer, you have to click the correct answer and then you have to press save next button. Okay. In this way only you will solve your paper. So be attentive while solving the paper. Okay. So we will start it. Saw it. What is the meaning of saw it? Found it. Okay. The meaning of saw it is found it. Now next. The word is expensive. What is the meaning of expensive? Costly. The meaning of expensive is costly. Expensive, costly. Then next word is restored. Restored means repair, repairing the things. Okay, the old things which are there now they restore and make it as a new thing and they make them useful. Okay. So restore means repair. The word restore means repair. Generously. Generously means willingly. अपनी मर्जी से कुछ करना, that is called as generously. Willingly. Generously, willingly. Generously, willingly. Wobbly. Wobbly means when his that Velu get out of the train, at that time his legs were wobbling now. That is called unsteady, means in a form that he feels that he is in now also he is standing in the moving train only. So unsteady. Wobbly means unsteady. Sorry. Glumly means sadly. Glumly, sadly. The meaning of glumly is sadly. Glumly, sadly. Panicked. पैनिक हो जाना मीन्स बहुत ज़्यादा टेंशन में आ जाना, that is called as panicked. Was very worried. Panicked means was very worried. Gulp down. Gulp down means swallowed quickly. Swallow means निगल जाना. Okay. The gulp down means swallowed quickly. Gulp down, swallowed quickly. Gulp down, swallowed quickly. Then remonstrated. Remonstrated means who has remonstrated in our book. It is of supplementary book in which the ox, the horse and the dog remonstrate to the jinn about the camel. Remonstrate means complain. They were complaining to the jinn about the camel that he is not working now. So the word remonstrate means complain. Remonstrate, complain. Burn out, destroyed by fire. Burn out, destroyed by fire. Muddle-headed. Muddle-headed means confused. The person who is always confused now, he is called as muddle-headed. Okay. Then next is mingling. Mingling. What is the meaning of mingling? Mingling means mixed together. The word mingling means mixed together. Okay.